So friends, welcome back to our Google document. Last section, we are remaining with 4 features. So the next one is, now we will explore some other more tabs. Now we will go to translate a document. If your document is ready in English language, you have to translate those document or that document into some different languages. There are n number of languages are there. So for that purpose, what you want to do is go to tools option. Which utility we are going to study? How to translate a document. Go to tools, then click on translate document. Now it will ask in which language you want to translate a document. So select, if I am selecting Marathi, if I am selecting Marathi, then see same document will convert it into Marathi language. Click on translate. Friends, just see, this is your translated document by the name translated copy of our first document. It is a new one. Don't get afraid that our previous document is lost and like that. No. See, this is our previous document which is in English, and this translated copy is at the new tab. So you can save both the files, or both the files get automatically saved in your G Drive. So in this way you can translate in any of the language. Initially I have written hello, how are you? In Marathi they have converted into hello, apan kase ahat. So likewise, and say if this document you have to translate into Hindi, you can make it according to your need. So in this way, this is a translate option. Now another feature you all are aware about it, that is maybe knowing that voice typing. This option is also very interesting and easy to work on it. So, but to start with this, let it confirm that your laptop or computer is having microphone attached to it. So to start with, what we have done, you go to tools option. After that, you have clicked on voice typing. This option will appear. In which language you want to speak or write, you can select from here. Right now I am making it in English. When you want to start typing, you have to click on this icon. Initially it appears in black color. When you click on this, it becomes red. Now I am start typing, or I am start saying any word. See, whatever I am saying, this document is typing. But the thing is, your voice should be somewhat loud and your pitch should be clear so that it can recognize it. See, so this is a live demo of voice typing. So this is another utility of Google document. So I'll stop this, otherwise it will record completely. So this is your document, that is voice typing. Next part that we will explore is important and the easy utility is within the same document you can explore Google also. So how you will explore that? For that you go to tools and then click on explore button. See, this new window will appear. Here you write keywords about which you want to search in Google. For example, I want to search about fruits. So I am typing here fruits and just click enter. So our Google will give you information about fruits. So if you want to take this much part in your current document, just select the part and drag it in your document. Suppose I'm dragging it here. See, so there is no need to open another tab and search there. Within the same document, you can open your Google browser also. So this is another utility. Next, if you want to take image, similarly, you go to this image. If I want this fruits images into my current document, just drag it. You have to just drag it. You can make copy paste also. How I am dragging it? Left mouse click, just leave it here. Then it is of very huge size, then you can make it, or you can make it small, or whatever size you want, you can edit it on your end. See, so this is an explore option. We have seen voice typing, then language, and explore. The next and the last utility of this Google document is add-ons. Add-ons are nothing but other Google applications. If you want to incorporate in your current Google document, that also we can do. I will give a demo of one. You can do it on yourself by number of add-ons you can add in a Google document. So click on add-ons and then click on get add-ons. See friends, these are the different G Suite market from which you can take any of the new add-ons to incorporate in your Google document. So simply I'll take a demo of one of the add-ons and that is important one that you can also do. I am adding this word cloud generation. Such type of images you might have seen at various places. So how these images you can create. So this is one of the add-ons available with our Google document. So I'll click here. You just explore other add-ons also and then click on install. Click on continue. It may ask for sign in option. So friends, after installation, just click on a script attached to the document needs your permission to run. Click on continue. Yes, some permissions are there. There you have to make authorization and finally you have to click on done. So now word cloud for docs is installed. So we will check whether this add-on has added to your Google document or not. So how we will check? Just close it and go to add-on option. See, initially there were no add-ons to your document, but now just now we have added this word cloud for docs. So friends, in this way you can add any of the additional feature to your documents. So this is about Google document. Just go through the video step by step, explore each and every feature of Google document and so that you can solve your assignment over this topic and you can solve your quiz also. It's very simple. No need to worry about. Just simply you have to prepare one practice document by using the steps we have just now seen and add any content, whether it is related to your subject or some other part also you can add and make one Google document and paste the link of that document in the assignment file. I have discussed how to get the link of the document. If you just want to revise it, I will again revise it in this. If you have created this document, where this document is saved right now, it is saved in your G Drive. So I will close all the links and now see if this is your G Drive. See, our demo document workshop, this is your assignment. For example, you have created by using all the steps which we have studied till now. Now you have to give the link of the document in assignment section. In assignment, I will be providing you with Google form, and in that Google form, you have to paste the link of your document. How you will get the link? Just right click on that document, then click on get shareable link. This we have already studied in previous video, but just we will revise it once again. Then you have to click on copy link and done. And this link you have to paste in your assignment form. So in this simple way, you have to create one document and solve your assignment as well as quiz. Thank you.